What's up everybody, and welcome back to NWI RC. In today's video I'm going to show you what not to do to your pro boat Miss Geico 36. I made a huge mistake and it cost me some money, but good thing a subscriber commented on my video, and man, everything just made total sense from there. I'm not used to having dual props. As you can see, I got a few single props up here. The dual ones just threw me off. I'm going to reference my maintenance video on this Miss Geico, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright, if you guys remember back in my maintenance video, I pulled both of these shafts out and greased them up, put them back in, all good to go. But can you see where I screwed up? I'll do the replay right now so you guys can see. Alright, now when you insert it, make sure your nylon washer is on there. And we're just going to slip it back in. And as you can see here, you can see some of the waste coming through. It's only because I used very little. I'm going to wipe my hands off real quick and push the rest of it in. Did you see what happened? Well, if you didn't catch it, I put the props in backwards. So I had the left side shaft and the right side stinger, vice versa for the other one. Plus, I reversed the props. I had taken the props off at one time, and when I put them back on, I had them on backwards. I did not know this, and ever since then, I've had issues like this with, my shafts breaking, snapping. I actually lost one in the pond, if you guys want to see this real quick. Okay, let's get her out there. Way out there. Okay, let the water settle a little bit. Oh, here we go, guys. Let's see how fast we can get the Miss Geico with the Das Boda speed props. Half throttle. Now we're at full throttle. Oh man. I think I might have got something stuck in the rudder. Yeah, something's in that rudder, guys. I'm going to bring it into me real slow. No, something does not sound right. Something doesn't sound right, guys. Oh, see? That's probably why. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, shit! I just lost the whole fucking... Oh, man. And I just was blown out of my mind because I kept having problems with this left prop, not the right prop, even though the wrong shaft was in here. So yeah, so let's go ahead and I'm going to tell you what this subscriber did for me. He caught that mistake and now I fixed it. I bought two brand new shafts, a left and a right. I greased them up, installed them, got my props in the right orientation. I went ahead and had to program the remote and made sure that the right prop was spinning counterclockwise and made sure that the left prop was spinning clockwise, as you can see right there. So I'm going to go ahead and power it on. I just got a couple of 4S batteries in there. You don't need to run 6S to do this type of test. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my radio. I'm going to go ahead and power on the Geico. Okay, so right here I'm going to go ahead and turn the props so you guys can see that they're spinning in the right direction. I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but as you can see, this prop is spinning this way and this prop is spinning that way. So yeah, there is an orientation for the props and there is a specific placement for the shafts. Here's the part number for the left side, if you guys can see that. And here's the part number for the right side. Okay, simple tools is all I used. The marine grease here, a little bit of thread locker. I did add another nut on each shaft just for the added protection. Also, you'll need an 8mm. Well, this is out of my dynamite kit right there. This has been a fantastic tool, especially out in the field. Works very well. I mean, it's awesome. A couple 10mm wrenches to get down into the motor to loosen your shafts up. And here, okay, I want to show you guys something here, what I also learned. So I took this shaft originally, if you've seen in that maintenance video, I had reversed them. I pulled this one out, and I took this right side out of the package, and I lined them up side by side. And as I noticed that this winding is winding this way, well, the winding in the new one winds the opposite way. So I completely reversed them. So now I have a spare left shaft, which is good. And okay, yeah, I mean, it's just a great feeling just to know that I got it right, and or that I'm learning about this. Some of you guys might school me in the comment area that I should have known this before I bought the boat. Well, I didn't know, so I'm here to help others to, you know, not to make the same mistake I did. I don't have the part numbers here for the stuffing tubes, but you can find them on Horizon's website. I'm sure you can find them somewhere else. Another thing that I do have a question for you guys. So now the stuffing tube. Yeah, I had to pull the stinger out, and it's kind of a trick to get these out. All I did, because you have to go on the inside here, and there's going to be like 8 nuts total. I do believe there's 4 here in the top, and there's 4 over here to take the stinger out, and this thing will drop out, and your stuffing tube will go in there. I'm going to go ahead and power this off just in case, because I don't want to hit the trigger. So now my question is with the stuffing tube. So when this goes in here, okay, some people say you want to glue this. You want to glue them in. Well, I'm telling you, this was such a tight fit. I had a heck of a time to get that in there. I mean, it just didn't slide through that stuffing tube like nothing. I mean, I really had to put some pressure. And I was afraid to bend it, and I didn't want to bend it. You know, the new one that I installed. So I just left it. And of course, typically just grease the shaft. What's your guys' opinion? Because there's no way you could glue these in. I don't see how, unless you push it, you know, a little bit farther past the stuffing tube and then add a little bit of glue to it and then back it back out so it just, you have a little contact, you know, on the stuffing tube. I'm not sure. You guys can comment below. All right, everybody. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you've been here this long in the video, please like this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm to get this video pushed out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget that I had that giveaway going on for that Axial XCS24. I have quite a bit of money invested in it, so please go check out that video. So hey guys, again, subscribe and have a great day.